Good and welcome to NZ Money Making class. In today's video, we're going to be considering an application or a website where you can easily purchase cryptocurrency. And the beautiful thing about this website is the very fact that you can purchase cryptocurrency with gift cards, even exchange with other coins in various countries of your choice. It's one platform I've actually seen, I think, the most payment methods ever for purchasing cryptocurrency. However, I've already dropped the link for you to get registered. So I've also dropped a video for you on how you could get registered by supplying some of your details. The video will also be made available in the description of this video, so do well to watch it and then get started on Paxful. So once again, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscription button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So without much ado, let's get straight down into business, and we're going to be exploring our new website. So let's say you've logged into your account, and then in today's video I'll be showing you how you can purchase and also sell cryptocurrency. Obviously, this Paxful actually has three currencies that they deal on: Bitcoin, Tether, and USDC. So these are the three cryptocurrency, whether you're buying or you're selling. So apparently, so if for instance you want to buy, you can simply come here, click buy, or you click sell, or you can check here. So you see buy Bitcoin, buy Tether, buy USDC, or sell, and then you also have the ability of creating an offer. Perhaps I'm going to deal with that in another video, creating an offer on Paxful, in case you don't find the necessary rate you're looking for. So let's go straight down to business. So you click over here on buy. Once your buy is clicked on, just like mine already is, you select the cryptocurrency that you want. Is it BTC that you want? Is it USDC that you want, or USDT? So after choosing BTC, the next thing, so I'm going to use BTC. So you choose BTC here, and then the next thing you want to do is for you to choose a payment method that you want. If it's all the payment method you want, so you have a broad overview of it, that's fine. So you write how much you want to spend. So this is obviously in so let's say I write for this purpose of this video, please, I'm going to be making use of, you can put in any of a country and see if your country is available. So let's say I put in USA. So after fixing USA, obviously okay, this is turned off. I've turned on offer location. I also have to choose if it is Paxful verified offers only. So if the person is not verified, means it's not going to show. However, I want to see everybody so that we have an opportunity of seeing all that is necessarily available. So if I put in $1,000 there, because I've changed my country to USA, so I click on find offers. I click here on find offers. So apparently at this point in time, you can see that the currency has changed here to $25,000, which means all the offers we have now in USD. So what do we have available in USD? Of course, so we have people here, it's Tina, Tiny, and the rest, people who are saying, okay, this is the amount I am willing to sell my USDC for, and they're all saying, okay, if you have a card, a debit card or a Visa card, we're going to sell to you this cheap at 23,000. And you can see that BTC price is currently at what, 25,000. So this person are really willing to sell to you up to $1,000 as long as you bring in your cards. They are willing to deal with you. So well, you know, one thing again I always tell people to check out for it. So how do I know the particular merchant I'm supposed to choose? First thing you need to do, you need to look at reviews, you need to look at thumbs up, you need to check things out like how many offers has this person done. Yes, there's some persons who could obviously be new, but if you want to give them a try, I think it's best to give them a try with a small amount. However, even if you made a payment to somebody, let's consider more of a bank transfer. Even if you made a payment to somebody, please do ensure you do not release your assets at any point in time during the course of the trade. So here they are going to be accepting debit cards and all that. So but you also have the option of you choosing the payment method that you want, which I'll still show you later. So because I chose all payment methods, that's why I'm seeing this. So if I want to still see more, I can click on load more offers, and you can see more offers have come up now. Prepaid cards, more of debit cards and stuff like that. These are already up, so you can see the number of likes this person have had. So let's say I open up one of them and let's just see what this person really has, what his reviews are like and stuff like that. So you see, for this person, you have the option of also blocking or trusting the person. This person was saying about 8 hours ago, plus 746 positive feedback. So this guy has not had a single negative feedback, and you can see he's already fully verified, email, ID, address verification. His location is currently in Kenya. So you can see this for yourself. He's trusted by 18 persons, blocked by 4 persons, and then he has blocked 15 persons. So you might want to tread cautiously even if you want to pick this guy. And then these are some of his other ads, the prepaid cards that he deals on, green dot cards and stuff like that. So these are some of the things he deals on. And then so these are the feedbacks we have from people, from crypto buyers and from crypto sellers. So people want to buy, you have to, I always advise people to check their feedback. You can see best and fast trade, best, good, highly recommend. You want to see more feedback, go back. Also check the time frame in which these feedbacks are given. So you can see most of them June 20, July 2023 and all that. So so I just do more feedback and then let's see. So best vendor ever met on Paxful. So you just literally have to be careful when dealing on Paxful. So that's it. Bank transfer. So you see all those ones are bank transfer, but they are done in Kenyan shillings. Bank transfer. While the other ones they are done in USD. So you need to be sure of what you're dealing on. Positive, you need to look at the positive. 5-star rating and all that. But for me, I always want to check out the person's negative ratings if there is any, if he has any. Well, obviously this guy has 0 negative rating. So you see, so from crypto sellers, these are people who want to sell. People are really giving him good review. So take your time out, look through of the person who it is you want to purchase cryptocurrency from, so that you don't run into any form of error. So let's say I go look out for those guys who are selling at 23,000, and which is this. So in case I want to buy BTC, these guys are offering this. Most of the time I always love to be careful when people give prices that are way so low. I always want to be certain of what I'm getting myself involved in. So this is Tiny, Tina Tiny. Well, obviously she has 122 positive views, and then negative is 1. Deals in China, and then trade partners, you can see 128 and all that. So these are people who have active offers are USD, ordering on Walmart, any credit debit card. So this is exactly what this person is dealing on. So obviously here, so you see here positive, you see here negative. So let's see awesome trader, that's what people are saying of her and all that. This person deals more on she sells BTC and people buy from her. So so I think this person here made a mistake by fixing and putting this negative. So you can see he's been trusted. This person actually made a mistake. So so obviously you can see that this person is really good. So which means that once you have a debit card, this person is willing to deal with you, and then you can simply make as much money as it is that you want to make. So we've seen how to purchase cryptocurrency here. If you're using debit card, his bank transfer, this person also deals as well. Okay, these are persons who have dealt with. So another thing I think I just want to show us here. So apparently I didn't choose, I just chose all payment methods. So I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method, and then we'll see other payment methods as well, and so you know exactly how to go about it. So here's it. So there's bank transfers. You can see I just touched bank transfers here. There's online wallet, debit, credit card. So if it's bank transfer you want, you have to look for the one that is resident in your country. You can also check here or do a search over there. So you do to check out bank transfer, common electronic transfer. You can see there is a whole lot. This is GIIPS, instant pay, gyro pay. There are so many payment methods of bank transfer. So you choose the one that is available in your country. And then for online wallet, we have Gcash, WePay, Venmo, Apple Pay, AirPay, Azimo, you see, and a whole lot more. So there's also Cash App, Circle App, so Dash App, so many of them available. So it's just there for you to choose which one it is that you want. There's Express Pay as well. So you check, do I really have somebody who has that payment method? So if you don't have, okay, so I choose Express Pay. Let me show you something. Once you're done, click on Find Offers. So it's going to load for you what is currently available for so you see for express pay the only one available is just like it's Philippine, and it's just only one person. So that's it. So let's pick another payment method before I go over to sell as well, and then we see for ourselves. So let's see debit credit card. So you see for debit credit card they have Walmart money card, PaySafe, any debit credit card, American Express card, Akimbo, and a whole lot. So you just choose whatever it is that you want, the Walmart money card, and all that. You choose the card that you want, and you are good to go. You're very much good to go. So next, okay, let's see. So for gift cards, Steam card, so you just pick any of them it is that you want, digital currencies. So this is the part I'm going to explain briefly on. So for digital currency, it simply means that if for instance that I click I want to buy USD, I want to buy BTC, it simply means I can exchange my BTC with Tether or Tron or Litecoin or Dogecoin. That's what digital currency is. Or Stellar Lumen, that's XML. Now you see they also have so many other cryptocurrencies here that you can exchange for BTC, USDC or USDT. And then cash payments means you'll be paying that using Western Union cardless cash. So Paxful really has a whole lot of options that you personally need to check out. For goods and services, Amazon wishlist cards, game items, and all lots. So this is one amazing platform that you need to get yourself onboarded on. So the link once again is in the description. I will also leave that in the comment section. So do your possible best to see how you can get started here. How you can get started. Do your possible best to see how you can get started. So we've seen how to actually purchase cryptocurrency using any of these methods, and then anytime you're done you click on find offers. So the next thing I want us to do is I want to see how can we sell cryptocurrency. So come over here, click on sell. So once you click on sell, so that's loaded. This time around I want to be dealing on, I want us to see what we have available for USDC, and then for USDC we see if this is still in Nigeria. So I'm going to change this time around to, let's say, Ghana. And so when I'm done I click on find offers, which is down here. So for USDC, apparently we have people who want to sell, who we can actually sell our USDC to. These guys are willing to buy USDC from us, and this is the rate for which they are giving. So if you're willing to deal at 11.38, good for you. So you first and foremost you need to know that this is what the current rate is reading, 11.44. So if you're willing to deal on any of these rates, that's perfect, that's fine. You find your vendors and then you're ready to go. So you can see so another thing I would just want to do, you can type in the amount here. Let's say I put, this is going to show 5,000 Ghanaian cedis. So after that I click on find offers again, and then let's see what comes out. So obviously I have rates, I have people know that are willing to deal with me and how much they are willing to buy from me. So having sorted this out, I just want us to so let's change our country. Let's pick a country like Cameroon. In case you want to sell USDT, this time around I want to use USDT, and then let us see. So meanwhile, okay, so I click on find offers once again. Then let's see what that is. So 609 XAF, that's exactly what we have here. So let's see. So for Cameroon, obviously I am not getting people for Cameroon. I'm seeing Ethiopia and then some other countries there. So but let's just try let's change our country. So let's say United Kingdom. Now let me explain something. One thing about this is going to choose if you toggle this on, it means you're showing them your location. So apparently if you don't want to do that, you just leave it off the way it is. So for pounds, we have Payoneer. These are, so there's Perfect Money, there's Revolut, So whatever amount it is that you want to deal, you have this here, and then you can see number of views, number of likes that everybody here has. So it's all there for you to choose. You also have the ability of filtering how you want your orders to be, so you can decide to choose lowest to highest. So in case you want, but when you're choosing lowest to highest, you need to understand you have to be careful so you don't choose the wrong person. So this person who is dealing on paper form for 0.72. The question is, what is the rate? Rate is about 0.8. So you, or AC, so yeah, 80. So you can see exactly what these persons all want to do. So in case you want to sell USDT, you want to sell, you have it all here sorted out on Paxful. So do stay tuned. I'm sure you've already seen how you can buy cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency, how you can select your payment method, how you can also change your country as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, and then drop a comment saying thank you for this, and if there's something else you want me to still cover, don't forget to also ask it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.